apple. This has been a plant that has been with me since about spring, early summer, and it's going to be in dormant. Get a nice close-up as some of the leaves are browning, and you can see the roots at the base. It's watered, gonna let it dry out some. Eventually this will come back. The leaves, they do curl, and this is the top. It's almost like giving a shed a thickness, and you can see how it kind of almost wants to flower, blossom. This is the apple November update. We'll keep an eye on it, give you a December update of apple. If you take a real close look of another apple seed, there it is in a plastic container. It takes about 10 days to germinate. There are about 4 seeds in there. One has really come up, and we'll keep an eye on it in December with the apple. That little seed will grow to be like that tree.